Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Football Guide and Analysis. Today we will have a preview and analysis of tomorrow's UEFA Europa League semi-final match between Manchester United and Sevilla. One point to be noted, that is United have progressed to the final from each of their last four semi-final appearances in European competition. That is 2007-8 Champions League, 2008-9 Champions League, 10-11 Champions League, and 16-17 UEFA Europa League, and they have won two among that four appearances. Now, United are favorites to win the finals tournament in Germany, but they had a hard work in last match against FC Copenhagen. Now they are only two games away from their winning the first major trophy since 16-17 Europa League. The Red Devils lost in the semi-final of both EFL Cup and FA Cup this season. So this can be their only trophy this season if they somehow managed to win it. Now we will have a head-to-head count for Manchester United and Sevilla. So they have met twice in the past, and one ended a goalless draw, and another one Sevilla won 2-1. So we will have a look of Manchester United squad of today. Romero should keep his place in goal, um while Lindelof and Matic are the obvious changes after the shaky displays from both Bailey and Fred against the weaker opponents, that is FC Copenhagen, in last quarter final. So Aaron Wan-Bissaka, Brandon Williams, Harry Maguire will all likely to start in defense, and I think Solskjaer must decide whether to persist with Eric Bailly as Maguire's partner or bring Victor Lindelof back in. But I think Lindelof will get a start based on his performance last day. So Paul Pogba will start in midfield, and Nemanja Matic should come in place of Fred after the Brazilian failed to shine versus Copenhagen. Solskjaer is likely to stick with a front four of Bruno Fernandes, Mason Greenwood, Anthony Martial, and Marcus Rashford. We can see the main goal scorers of Manchester United this season, where Bruno played a crucial role after the transfer and scored 8 goals and assisted 7 in Premier League. Bruno Fernandes has made an instant impact since arriving from Sporting Lisbon in this January, scoring total 11 goals and setting up 8 to Fire United to a third place finish in the Premier League and the UEFA Europa Cup semi-final. So the next one is Anthony Martial, who has netted the ball 17 times and assisted only 6 times this season. Then we can see Marcus Rashford, who have also scored 17 times and assisted only 7 goals this season. The next player is the discover of the year, Mason Greenwood, who have scored 10 goals and assisted 1. These four are the main attacking threat for Manchester United, and they have proved their efficiency throughout this season. Yes, United has threat from opponent side. The main threat for United is Ocampos, who is the real threat for Julian Lopetegui's side. The Argentinian arrived from Marseille last summer and has netted 18 goals across all competitions this season while providing 4 assists. Another key man for United will be to crowd Ever Banega in central midfield. Ever Banega will leave Sevilla after this competition, but he is still one of the finest midfield operators in La Liga and in UEFA Europa League also. He was outstanding in Tuesday's quarter-final victory over Wolves, capping the man of the match performances by delivering a pinpoint cross for Lucas Ocampos' late-headed winner. So if you want to Sevilla, you have to stop Ever Banega. So in my opinion, Manchester should win this tie with 2-0 or 2-1 score. So this was the preview and analysis for tomorrow's match. If you like the video, then please like, share and subscribe and press the bell button to receive notifications.